sway bar bushings. Gonna change those. Look at the bend right there. See right here, they got rocks stuck inside. You know what I'm saying? See right there.
That's it.
So it ain't seating on the bead.
Damn, that's crazy.
You see it?
Yeah, from when it was sitting.
Right when it was sitting, you know what I'm saying? It was sitting so long, and they moved it while it was flat, and the rocks got caught up in there. That's exactly what happened. And that bend, it probably wouldn't even go flat because of the bend, but the rocks in there. So every time you turn, the wheels hit the frame, but the rim is not hitting the frame. It's actually just the tire. So we can live with that. Just got to know how to turn that car when you turn. Got two on, we gotta get fixed. Got this joint sitting up safe.